Salut tout le monde, welcome back to the channel. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Francia, and on this channel we talk about lifestyle, beauty, makeup, fashion, life, and everything in between. So I hope you consider hitting your subscribe button and your notification bell so that you always know when I upload. So on today's video, I am going to show you how I revive my box braids. So let's just get started. Let's get right into it without wasting any time. I'm gonna take this down. My hair itself is not, like, the braids are not bad, but I'll show you what I'm talking about as soon as I am able to take this out. Okay, there we go. Whew. So the braids are not bad yet, right? So they're still pretty good. What I'm having a problem with are this situation right here. You see? That's not my braids, that's this situation. So I'm going to my braids. If I show you one, like I said, they're good. They're still good, because look, they're pretty neat still. So my braids are not the problem. So therefore I'm not gonna take them out, but these situations. So first order of business, my color is a problem. Might have to change my shirt because this is annoying me. So we're gonna need, I'm gonna situate my edges. I'm going to use my edge booster. We're gonna need that, right? We're gonna need that. We're gonna need some scissors, crochet needle, edge brush situation, and this situation so I can tie my edges. So first thing I'm going to do is my edges. I'm going to tie my hair back so that I can work on my edges. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So I'm gonna work on my edges. Hold please. All right, so that's done. I'm gonna take this out. The next thing I'm going to do is go through this here, so if you guys can see, one by one, and I'm gonna take them out. All right, so I've got all of them. Now let's proceed. This is what I'm using for the hair in the color OT30. And this is the color, it looks like that. Yeah, it looks like. I think I ruined it, so I'm just gonna leave that there. I'm debating. This time, I'm not gonna split it this time because I think the last time I did split it, and I think that's what may have made it look the way that it looked so quickly. So I'm not gonna split it this time. I'm just gonna use each strand as it is. So here we go. You know what? I'm just gonna start from the back. I'm going to do this off camera. I will be right back. But you get the gist of it. We're just gonna do that. You get it. All right, you guys, I am all done. This is what we're looking like. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. I like it. It looks all brand new, like I just did it. I'm glad I didn't just take it down, because I was like, oh, maybe it's time I take it down. But then the light bulb went on. I was like, the braids themselves are fine. It's these situations that are the problem. So how about we just redo them? And I did, and I'm so glad I did. All right, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I will see you guys in my next one. But until then, I'm feeling myself. But until then, I hope to see you in the comment section. Bye.